Hey folks, so we've already explained to you what will happen with courses, but let's just talk about those other facets of Schoology that you might use, such as groups. Nothing's going to happen in your groups whatsoever when the school year ends. You can maintain use of them throughout the summer, in fact, as long as you have access to Schoology through your Google login. And you can even add people that might have moved to your grade level and remove those that might have left over the summer and as the next school year starts. So the only maintenance you need to do to groups would be the maintenance of members. So remember, this is how you would do that. You'd click on groups at the top, click on whatever group you would like to edit, go to members, and here you can click on the gear to remove someone from your group or just remove their admin rights to the group. Again, that's not necessary if they move grade levels. If they'd like to remain there to access information that you shared this year, that's totally fine. But as groups build up, you just might not want to be a member of old groups to gum up the works for yourself. So, for example, if I just wanted to leave this group of my own accord, I can click on gear and you'll notice that I can even remove myself from this group. Okay, now the items that I've added will remain in the group, but the items that are added after I leave, obviously I won't have the benefit of seeing. So again, you want to monitor the use of your groups, maybe each summer or at the end of each school year, so that you aren't littered with groups that are old and not useful to you. Thanks so much.